Okay guys, it's currently 1:43 at night right now, and we are creating something that's going to be very useful. I would say tactical as well. I don't know what the word I'm looking for, but it's going to help me leverage my time a lot better with consuming knowledge. What I'm creating is a bot that's going to be programmed on a script or a prompt that's pretty much going to be where you can upload a book or a transcript of a podcast, a seminar, whatever it is, and it's going to take out all the fluff and it's going to analyze every word and figure out what you're looking for out of that book and the main points in the book for you to learn. Like, let's say in a book, right, there's 400 pages. Usually 80%, 70% of the whole book is just fluff that they go and fill the book with, and they say the same thing 100 different times. If you bought a book on how to break habits or something, or how to get leads in your business, whatever you bought the book for, you're really only looking for probably a couple pages out of the book. And what do you think is more important? Spending a month to finish the book or spending the next 30 minutes getting all the important information from the book into your brain? I think it's getting all the important information out. And let's say you have this system and it's something that I'm creating right now and it's working pretty good. I've been spending like the last 4 hours on it, but now it's pretty dialed where I can just upload anything and it gives me all the information on it, how to execute it, how to apply it to my business. And I don't have to go through a 3-hour podcast anymore. I get the whole 3-hour podcast. It removes all the fluff. It removes all the joking around that they do, everything. And it gives me the actual stuff I need from that podcast. So that is what I've been doing tonight, and it's been great. Let me show you some of the stuff I've been working on. Okay, so I have 2 prompts, right? A book extraction system where it just has a bunch of rules on how I want it to break down these books. We have 80-20 principle at all times, remove at least 70% of the original content. I'm gonna change this a little bit because I don't want it to actually take this literally. I changed it in my video transcript. I have a prompt for video transcripts as well. Literally, it's just a set of rules. And I've been tweaking them, so I'll make this a PDF. As you can see, I have it saved multiple times because I've made a lot of revisions. But what I've been doing is uploading this prompt to a bot, then uploading a transcript. I'm doing this one right now. I watched the whole video, that's why. So I kind of know exactly what I'm looking for and the information I'm looking for. And it's basically talking about webinars. And I'm gonna go down to this YouTube video. I'm gonna scroll down and it says show transcript. And what I did was I copied the whole transcript and I uploaded it to my bot that I have the script trained on, right? So I go like this, it uploads it, and then it gives me the exact execution steps on the whole thing. That takes me 20 minutes to read or really understand, maybe 10 minutes, versus sitting down on this whole 42-minute seminar. And then the book one is pretty cool because you just upload the PDF of the whole book. So I have a lot of books that I'm using right now, and I'm just uploading that PDF, and it breaks down all 400 pages, and it gives me the main ideas of the book, what I need to know from the book. Yeah, guys, that's what I've been working on. It's 2 a.m. now, so I'm about to go to sleep right now. I'm so tired. This is like something like a little side quest for me. I just want to consume and take in knowledge as efficient and as fast as possible because I want to soak in as much as I can. What I've realized a lot in entrepreneurship, speed is everything. Like, I don't want to buy a book and get the information that I was looking for in 3 weeks. I want to get a book and get everything I need from that book the same day so I can go on to the next book and the next book or the next podcast or the next seminar. And I could just consume so much knowledge really fast and I just become unstoppable. I would say efficiency and speed is so important as an entrepreneur. And this is just something I always wanted to do. And it was nighttime and I just got done playing basketball. And I was like, what can I do right now? And that was a perfect thing. I always want to be producing. I always want to figure out ways how I can be more efficient. And this was a great thing to build tonight. So it's pretty much almost done. And now I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to just find books, put them in there, find new podcasts, put them in there. As entrepreneurs, as business owners, I'm sure you can side with me on this. A 3-hour sit-down talk with an entrepreneur on a YouTube video isn't so easy. You can't just listen to something for 3 hours. Sure, you can have it on in the background. Sure, you can probably hear something out of that 3-hour thing and be like, oh, okay, I can apply that to my business. But I want to take that 3-hour sit down video, take the transcription, put it in my bot and really get the full meaning and message behind that video and have it exactly show me what information that's in there, how it can be helpful for my business and how I can execute it in my business. And this is going to allow me to just fly through podcasts. I might do a 3-hour podcast every single night and consume all that knowledge in 10 to 15 minutes. And I want to make it a goal where I'm constantly learning stuff, constantly taking notes on stuff. I'm excited. But yeah, it's been fun. I love building things, guys. If you're not building and if you're not growing your knowledge, what are you really doing, to be honest? You're just being stagnant, and stagnant isn't good. All right, guys, it's time to go to bed. It's about to be 2 a.m. right now, and sleep is very important. You don't want to mess up the circadian too much, so it's time for me to go to sleep, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.